All right, let's talk about how you can make all cells the same size within Excel. So here we just have some data. We can see that some of these columns are different sizes along with these rows, and we just want all these rows to be the same size along with all these columns. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select this little arrow in the top left corner here, and that's going to select all the cells within your worksheet. So now what we're going to want to do is adjust the column width. What you'll notice is that in between each column, you'll see this little line here. And so we'll just pick any column. We'll go from column B to C and just hover over until you see this double arrow with a line through it. And then once you have that, click, and then you can drag to whatever size you want. So for the columns, we're just going to say we want it about that size. Release the click, and then that's going to make all of your columns that exact width. Now you can do the same thing here with the rows. You can find in between each row the line until you get that double arrow with a line through it. Click, and then you can drag to whatever height you'd like. And we'll just say we want it right about there, and that's going to make all of your rows the same height. So for me, that's kind of the easiest way, but what you can also do when you have all of your cells selected, you can right click and go to column width, and then it'll bring up this little pop-up menu, and you can type in whatever column width you'd like all of the columns to be. Now for me, this isn't like as helpful or useful just because like 12.55, I wouldn't know that this is 12.55, so if I wanted to change this to 14, let's say, and hit OK, it's going to change all of those columns to a 14 width. And you can do the same thing with the rows here. If you right click and go down to row height, it'll bring up the same little pop-up menu, and you can select whatever number you'd like. We'll just say 16 and hit OK. So those are kind of two ways you can do it. For me, the easiest way is to just click and drag it around until I get what I want. But that's how you can make all cells the same size within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe before you head out. Thank you so much, and just have a great rest of your day.